Hey, Cupcake Springlets. It's Cupcake Sprinkles here, and now I'm going to be doing a toy review. Actually, two toy reviews with a couple of things inside. Today I'm going to be doing one blind bag, which is Little Pet Shop Pet Hideouts Series 1. Yeah, Little Pet Shop. So, don't they look adorable? Oh my god. So, yeah, I got that. And also I got this My World thing for this playset, which I don't have, but I want to get it because it looks amazing. So yeah, and it comes with all this stuff. Not really a blind bag, but yeah. So yeah. I think we're gonna do the blind bag last, so let's open this one first. I'm gonna use scissors. Don't cut any pieces. Oh wait. Oh, it's like in a little bag. Yeah. Oh yeah. The bag with all the pieces in it. I'm not gonna dump everything out because I don't like everything really. So, first item we have in here is this little brush. What's it called? I think this is. I'm pretty sure this is the eyeshadow brush. It says, eyeshadow brush. I think so because it looks like an eyeshadow brush. Looks like if you're in dance, you know what makeup looks like. You have to put it on a lot. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, like this. Now let's put it right here. And then next we have a little thing right here. What is this? I think this is actually the I think it might be the cap for the eyeshadow? I don't know. I think that's what it is. So why don't we look at the eyeshadow? I mean, not the eyeshadow, mascara thingy. I don't think there is eyeshadow. No, I don't. So mascara, this actually looks pretty real. It's pretty realistic. It's just to myself. And then you have a little cap on it. So that's cute. And then next we have this thing, which I think this is the lipstick. Oh wait, no, this is not the lipstick. I'm not really sure what it is. I don't know what that is. I don't see it on here. What's that? I don't know what that is. It's weird. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's the, I don't know. I think it's an eyelash curler. I think so. Because I don't think it's anything else. Because it has a cap. See? I think it's right there. Tell me in the comments below what do you guys think this is. Here's all the different things it can be. Pause the video right now and just try it. So, I don't know what this is. I think it's a Kyler. Because I don't use any, like, eyelash curler. I never used anything like that. But anyway. So, let's just move on. And, yeah. And then next up we have I think this is powder brush. Or blush brush. That kind of sounds weird, so I guess powder brush. Or, there's like multiple different powders, so, yeah. I want to call it a blush brush. Yay, that's mine. I call it blush brush, okay? Just deal with it. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, these actually look really realistic. I really like them. And then next we have a very weird looking pair of scissors. I think that's what they are. Wait, is this the eyelash curler? I think it is. Then what's this? I got an extra piece. I don't know what that is. Oh, lip gloss. Oh, it's lip gloss. Oh, that makes sense. I just looked on there. See? Lip gloss. I didn't see that before. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know they had lip gloss. Also, eyelash curlers. They look like scissors more to me. They're like weird looking scissors, but anyway. So yeah, that's that. And then oh, the lipstick, and we need the lipstick cap. And here's the little stick thing. I'll put on the stick myself. Okay. Anyway, then the cap on there. That actually stays on pretty well. That's cool. Anyway, so next we have it's two eyeliner pens or pencils or something. Yeah. Could have to probably get away with actually, like, in videos. I could probably have to get away with, like, using it as a mechanical pencil. I'm gonna do that. Yep. Mechanical pencils, like, different color erasers and, like, different something erasers. Yeah. A little sharp, but learning. No one reads warnings. Well, at least I don't really. Well, sometimes I do. Nah. So yeah, this is pink. Yay. And like tealish bluish color. My mom would like this one, and I would like that because she likes teal. She would like it. So yeah, I think that's it. Yellow. Aw, I really like them. I need to get more of these things and start getting the sets. So yeah, scoop that over, stuff over, and then now let's open the blind bag. Okay, I need clips. No way, did I get a cat? I got a cute little kitty! She looks like chocolate and strawberry. She reminds me of chocolate strawberry ice cream for some reason. I don't know why. And vanilla because the ears. She's like a ice cream kitty. Ice cream kitty! Yay. Comes with this little pamphlet. So yeah. Oh my gosh. We got this one. What's that little deco bit thing? What is it? trying to think what that is. Is it like pillows or cookies? Guys, tell me what... Okay, tell me what you guys think that is, as I really don't know. Yeah, it looks weird. I think it's either cookies or, like, pillows. If you guys know what that is, then please tell me. And then, also we have this little... Looks like kind of like Chinese takeout box thing. It's so cute. I'm gonna call it an ice cream box because it's a little ice cream kitty. It's so cute. Yay. Yeah. Like, what if you just like open your Chinese take? I don't eat Chinese food. I did once. I sort of liked it, not that really much. I had noodles. It was kind of good, not that much. It's kind of good, not that much. Yeah, sort of like this. So yeah, okay. It's looking nice. Brown and pink for her fur. Oh, little chocolate tip tail. She's adorable. Little chocolate tip ear right there. And then we have the chocolate ear. And then white in the inside. The cute, all adorable. And look, why is her tongue white? She must have been eating vanilla ice cream. Yeah. Or frosting. Cookie frosting. Anyway, and also she has a little white nose. Which is a little weird, but she's still adorable. Meow. Meow. So yeah. This in there. There we go. Oh yeah. This was really awesome. I really like the stuff I got. Really cool. And here's all the other characters, just in case you didn't know what they look like. Yeah, we got that one. That one right there. Yeah. Like, this is cool. Makeover cat. Oh, we got a pet and we got some makeup. You know what that means. Epic makeover time. Ow. Let's try that again. Epic makeover time. Yay. Anyway, so what should we start with first? And no, I shouldn't be doing this. Actually, I'm gonna save this to another video. I'm sorry. I can put the makeup in here. Okay, there we go. My makeup's in there. So, for me and this cute little ice cream kitty, it's good.